Yeah. Yeah, cool, isn't it? Right, so grill remove. Broke it. And
I'm going to get this on me.
yeah,
That's it.
I get that one
How
out.
to do it on.
Yeah. Right. See if we can get it sliding. Hope it's the right one.
It's like a little groove hole that you sit it into first of all,
Yeah.
so you know you're in the right position.
Nice.
I'll make sure we're in the groove at the bottom. That's in the groove. Push it in.
Yep, there we go. Have a click. There you go.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, give it a feel.
That one's already.
Yeah, that one. See, that's what I probably need to
So I'll make sure it's
clicks.
in there. Yeah.
So that's perfect.
There you go.
Look at that. Yeah. One of each.
See the difference?
Yeah, that looks so much better. That's quite cool. It's definitely, yeah, it's definitely in. Yeah.
Are these BMW made or?
I think they're yeah, BMW mainly, yeah.
You see that they don't fit as perfect
As the other
as
one.
the old one, but you're not going to.
It just leaves a little bit of gap. Is that it? Just a little slightly gap there. And if it,
It's it.
it's it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Quite flimsy, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's in what?
Yeah. Cool. Right, so that one's slotting. So the yeah. The thing behind it now, we need to break all of them one by one. Break it if you're not going to sell it back, or if you're not going to use it, then you just break it, because it's just so much easier. Yeah, it's more like from an hour job to probably half an hour. So what you're doing now, you just reach on and just try and get them clips in it. There you go. Just go this
You're
side.
to one corner and work your way around.
Yeah. Right, so that one's out, damaged. So now, just give it a little clean. Yeah, got a cloth. Just get rid of dirt. Or a nice wash off. Clean. Right, so now we just slot the other one back in. Make it line up again.
Line the slots up.
Yeah.
And the clip up with the slot in there. And all of it. We'll push it in.
It just clips straight in. that, or is it not a bit of a gap? Is that one over a bit more? Yeah. Give it a little bit of press, yes. You can hear the click, don't you? There you go. Definitely click. Yeah, because that one looks a bit closer, doesn't it? Yeah. You can see that there's a little bit more gap on that side. So we're gonna have a bit of a fiddle. Yeah. See if we can get it out. So what we're trying to do now is just adjust it so try and get rid of that gap in the middle.
That's gone in a lot better.
Yeah.
It's gone further in this time.
It's this one clip. Ah, there you go. Yeah. Sounds better, mate.
That's gone in there.
Yeah.
Clicking in very well.
Yeah. So they don't fly out when you're driving. Probably won't. Just giving the final touches now to make sure that they clip in. But once it's finished, we'll come back and show you the full thing. So there we go, end product. Nice. A before and after picture. So that's it, little tutorial, how to change your grill without taking everything off. So nice. Thanks help for Neil. Yeah, he's the man. Yeah, nice help. So that's it. Any question, just let us know.